Today we're going to show you how to get into your transmission live data while using the Innova 711 SDS tablet. This works the same for the SDS 43 and 50 tablets. So I already have it powered on. I have the VCI cable attached and the OBD2 end already attached to the OBD2 port of the Chevy Equinox, so you can see it is wireless. The car is right outside the building. I'm inside our office. That way I can prevent all the noise that's going on. Now, to get started, all you got to do is press the OEM Diagnostics button, and it's going to pull up a list of modules that you can individually select to scan, read, erase codes, and some of them, other ones support live data as well. But as I said and mentioned in the beginning, this is for transmission live data. So once you scroll down and you see the transmission control module, go ahead and tap on that, and it will give you the options. So you can see it could read clear codes if they're there, and then we'll go into live data, and then it won't support the active test or reset functions. That's mostly under the ECM. So we're going to go ahead and hit live data. Now you can get the transmission fluid temp this way and also through service checks, but this shows all your transmission live data at once. So this might be the easiest option to go to. So give it time as it scans. And there you go. And it shows all the options for this specific vehicle's transmission system supported in transmission live data. So as you can go down, you see the transmission fluid temp right there, looking good. These are called parameter identifications, and you'll, in short, PIDs. So to graph them, you just go ahead and select. You can select up to 4. Let's just go ahead and just select these random 2. You can view it with the PIDs, see how it shows up the PID list, PID list. You can click on that to go unselect or reselect new PIDs, but let's go ahead and graph. And you can graphs up to 4 at a time, but we just have 2 PIDs, and then you can go ahead and record. Stop recording at any time. You could say yes, we'd like to save it. Then you can go back and view it at a later time. But basically that's all to get into transmission live data from the tablet. This is from the opening screen. Once it's established communication with the vehicle, you see the VIN up top. Hit OEM Diagnostics and go select the module you want.